No comment. Okay, we need 2 more volunteers to come up and join us. 2 volunteers. This is a little more involved. Come on. All right. And what are your names, please?
My name is Steve.
Steve. Hi, Steve.
And I'm Dane.
Hi, Dane. Let's hear it for Steve and Dane. Jim, why don't you come over and join us too?
Okay.
This game is called Sound Effects.
Never heard of it.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll fill you in. In this game, Jim and Bernie are going to be acting out some kind of a bizarre adventure, and you guys are going to be supplying their sound effects. So whether you want to give them a sound effect, you can do that, or they will pimp you to make a sound. So if they say, "Oh, my cell phone is ringing," you're going to. There you go. Or if you want to just throw anything in there, you can do that. Yeah, there you go. You can do that. So why don't you guys pair up? Somebody can go with Jim and somebody can go with Bernie.
All right.
What we need for the audience is we need some kind of a bizarre adventure that they are going on. Bizarre adventure. Anybody know? What's that?
Bottom of the sea.
The bottom of the sea. You guys are going on an adventure at the bottom of the sea. And you guys are doing sound effects. Are you ready? You may begin.
Make sure my tank's a little full here. Ooh, starting to empty out there.
I'm going to clean out my tube.
Sounds like the gasoline's a little bit clogged in there. You've been switching that with the mower?
I think maybe if I give it a pull. Looks like we're not taking this boat.
Ah, what a bummer. Hold on. I got some oars. Here. Throw those in the water.
Jim?
Yeah.
How are we getting to the bottom of the sea in a canoe?
Well, I figured we'd get out into the middle a little bit farther. Almost there. Ooh, I dropped it. And now we'll just pull the bottom out of the plug out of the bottom of the boat like this. Ooh, water.
Splash.
Hey, we're starting to
Shark.
Ooh. Starting to sink now. Okay.
I knew I should have had that last helium balloon for dessert.
Here's your tank. Let's put the mask on.
Thank you, there was no airflow.
All right. Now that we're getting down here and our radios are working in between our helmets so that people don't wonder why we
Why we can still talk, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Al Capone.
I wondered where he went. And look, Jimmy Hoffa right next to him.
Okay, and scene.